Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing question 3 from exercise 11.2 of class 10 construction chapter, which says draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. We will draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter and its center will be marked as point O. After drawing this, as per the question, we have to get points on extended diameter. So first of all, we will make one diameter in the circle. Say on plotting the points C and D, we have CD as the diameter. Then we will take 2 points P and Q respectively at a distance 7 centimeter from the center. So I have marked point P such that OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Similarly, on the other side of the diameter, on extending it in direction CD, we have point Q which is at a distance 7 centimeter such that OQ is equal to 7 centimeter. So now we are supposed to draw a pair of tangents from point P to the circle and pair of tangents from point Q to the circle. So we will follow the same procedure as we use for drawing a pair of tangents from an external point to circle. So P is the external point and here I have drawn the perpendicular bisector of OP so that I get the midpoint of OP. So AB is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment OP and we will mark the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector with OP line segment as point M. Then with M as center and radius equal to OM, we will draw a circle to intersect the given circle at 2 points. And we will mark these points as R and S respectively. Then we will be joining PR and PS. Then PR and PS are the required tangents to the given circle from point P. Similarly, we will follow the same steps to draw a pair of tangents from an external point Q. Here again, like in the first part we have done, here we will take OQ as a line segment and we will draw its perpendicular bisector so that we get the midpoint of OQ. So here we have drawn the perpendicular bisector. Now XY is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment OQ. And we will mark the point of intersection of XY with OQ as point N. So N is the midpoint of OQ. Now with N as center and radius equal to ON or NQ, whatever you say, we will draw a circle to intersect the given circle at 2 points. And we will mark these 2 points as T and U respectively. Then QT and QU are 2 tangents to the circle from point Q. So we have drawn pair of tangents to the circle from point P. PR and PS are the 2 tangents from external point P to the given circle, and QT and QU are the 2 tangents drawn from point Q, that is the external point, to the circle. Let us see the steps of construction now. The first step is draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter, mark its center as O. Draw its diameter CD and extend OC and OD to P and Q respectively such that OP is equal to OQ is equal to 7 centimeter. Join OP and bisect it. Here we are bisecting OP by drawing its perpendicular bisector. So we will mark its midpoint as M. Then taking M as center and MO as radius, draw a circle intersecting the given circle at points R and S respectively. Join PR and PS PR and PS are the required tangents from point P to the given circle. Similarly, we will join OQ and bisect it. Again, we will be bisecting it by drawing the perpendicular bisector and then mark its midpoint as N and proceed in exactly similar manner to draw tangents QT and QU from point Q to the given circle. So PR and PS are two tangents from external point P to the given circle, and QT and QR are two tangents from point Q to the given circle.